Encountering error code 0x832018 on your PlayStation portal? Don't worry, it's a common issue indicating a Wi-Fi network failed problem when trying to stream games from your PS5. Basically, your portal is having trouble maintaining a stable connection to your PS5 over Wi-Fi. This often happens due to network hiccups, outdated software on either device, or even some router settings. Think of it like a shaky bridge between your portal and PS5. We need to reinforce that connection. One common cause is signal interference from other devices. It could be incorrect Wi-Fi security settings like WPA3 incompatibilities, or even an IP address conflict on your network. The good news is, it's usually fixable with a few simple steps that we will go over in the next section. First, the basics. Restart both your PlayStation portal and your PS5. This often clears temporary glitches. Next, check your Wi-Fi signal strength on the portal. Aim for a strong signal, ideally 50 dmm or better. If it's weak, move closer to your router. Now, let's dive into network settings. On your PS5, go to Settings, Network, Advanced Settings, and verify everything is configured correctly. A key tip: make sure your DNS settings are using your ISP's defaults, not something like Google's 888.8. as this can interfere with the portal's authentication. Also, keep both your portal and PS5 software up to date. Finally, consider switching to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band on your router, as it usually offers a more stable connection than the 2.4 GHz band. If all else fails, try a wired connection to your PS5 to rule out Wi-Fi issues entirely. Remember to check Sony's support page or community forums for the latest updates and solutions. Key takeaways: start with restarts, check signal strength, verify settings, use correct DNS, update software, try 5 GHz and wired as last resort.